Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this Advanced Math Part 2 session, guys. In this Advanced Math Part 2 session, please do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. I can see the names of Charlie and Shrivani. Very good evening, both of you. Very good evening, both of you. Others, please do join, and once you join, please let me know by your comments as well. Haro, Harika, very good evening. Very good evening to all. Let's see what we have covered. Let's see what we have covered, and we have to. This is, I think, we have covered it. Okay. This was done. As far as I remember, this was the last question of the day. So today our day will start from here. Why I am keeping them in a single PPT? Because I would be sharing with you so that you would be getting all the questions in a single compilation. You need not to go for double downloads. Hello Sai Teja, very good evening dear, very good evening. Here we begins. Sai Teja, I replied you personally as well. I think you have not seen my comment, and I've shared the PDFs on my personal Telegram handle. And okay, hello Harish. What happened? Okay. Good evening, Harish and Gopinath. Guys, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc if a plus b plus c is 0. If a plus b plus c is 0, if a plus b plus c is 0, then if you closely look, it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Here a plus b plus c is 0. Here a plus b plus c is 0. 70 plus 20, 90. 90 minus 90 is 0. So a plus b plus c is 0. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube would be 3a b c. 3a b c. First thing is it is negative. 210 minus 1800. 3 zeros and a unit digit of 8. 3 zeros and a unit digit of 8. Like answer. Minus 378. Minus 378,000. Minus 378,000. Minus 378,000 is your answer. Clear, guys? Very, very important question. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc if a plus b plus c is 0. So I will take that negative inside and get to the answer CGL 2021. Fast forward. Fast forward, guys. Second question. Fast forward manner. Fast forward manner. I think you remember the yesterday question taken in the last. Vipin. You might have remembered the question taken in yesterday's session. Do the squaring. Do the squaring. It's a loop. It's a loop, my dear. It's a loop. It's a loop. It's a loop. Again, when you do the squaring, then x plus 1 upon x will come as minus 1 ka square minus 2, again minus 1. What is the standard result, guys? What we remembered for x plus 1 upon x is minus 1. X plus 1 upon x minus 1, the result was x cube is 1. For x plus 1 upon x as minus 1, x cube is 1. So I would break it into x ki power 63 into x plus x ki power 90 into x. If 3 is 1, then all multiples of 3 are also 1. Then all multiples of 3 are also 1. If 3 is 1, then all multiples of 3 are also 1. So this is 1. 1 into x plus 1 into x, x plus 1 upon x, and x plus 1 upon x is, and x plus 1 upon x is minus 1. Great loop. This is a very, very, very good loop, guys. Yeah, very, very well designed loop. Very, very well designed loop. For all 4 of them, please refer to my previous day session. I've taken all the 4 properties over there. That in what condition, what happens. Okay. X is 4 plus root 15. Then 1 by x is 4 minus root 15. Conjugate. How can you find out this? 1 upon x is going to be 1 upon 4 plus root 15. You will rationalize by 4 minus root 15. You will rationalize by 4 minus root 15. So it will become 4 minus root 15 upon 16 minus 15, 1. 16 minus 15, 1. Okay. Adding both equations, x plus 1 upon x is 4 plus root 15, 4 minus root 15 is 8. So x square plus 1 upon x square is 8 ka square minus 2, 62. 8 ka square minus 2, 62. Square minus 2, 62. Fourth question of the day. Maybe the fifth question of the day. Guys, we are on a song today. Yeah, we are on a song. 30, 35 or maybe 40 as well. 35 to 40 guys on a song, on a radar. The difference between the two perpendicular sides of a right angle triangle. The difference between the two perpendicular sides of a right angle triangle is 17. Area is 84. What is the perimeter? Generally, all such questions are based on triplets. Generally, all such questions are based on triplets. So, please do write the triplets fast. 3, 4, 5, definitely not. 4, there is no. 5, 12, 13. The difference between the perpendicular sides is 7. 7, 24, 25. The difference between the perpendicular sides is 17. The difference between the perpendicular sides is 17. Yeah. The difference between the perpendicular sides is 17. So the triplet is 7, 24, 25. The triplet is 7, 24, 25. The difference between the perpendicular sides is 17 and area. So cross check the area as well. What is the area of this? 1 into 7 into 24, 84. Cross checked. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides. Perimeter is sum of all sides. 49 plus 7, 56. Perimeter is sum of all sides. It is 7, 24, 25. Do you want to know the equation method as well? But I have given a statement that generally all these questions are based on triplets. Generally all these questions are based on triplets. So equation, there is no such necessity. Rather work on the triplets. Rather work on the triplets. Yeah, that would be more beneficial. Working on the triplets would be more beneficial rather than going for equation. However, if you want to go for equation, you can by assuming the sides as a plus 17. So their area is half into a plus 17, which is 84. A into a plus 17 is 168. Now break it into factors. I think 42 into 4. 6 into 7 into 4. 7 into 24. A is 7. A plus 7 is 24. Teja, I have written down the triplets. I don't know whether you copied that or not. I written down all the triplets. Yeah. They begin from 3, 4, 5. Then 5, 12, 13. Then 6, 8, 10. Double of this. 7, 24, 25. 8, 15, 17. 8, 15, 17. 9, 40, 41. 11, 60, 61. 12, 35, 37. 20, 21, 29. Generally, guys, only these remembers to me, and it is more than enough, guys. Generally, guys, this much remembers to me, and they are more than enough. Yeah. I can tell you guys, I never required to remember anything other than this. Yeah, I never required to remember anything other than this. Next. Pace up, guys. Pace up little bit more. Just waiting for one answer. from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of a tower is such that its tangent is 3 by 4. I know it will come use later on, but I have to write it down as of now. Its tangent is 3 by 4. On walking 560 meter towards the tower, the tangent becomes 4 by 3. So this becomes 4, this becomes 3. At one place you are saying perpendicular is 4, at another place you are saying perpendicular is 3. So I think make them equal. At one place you are saying perpendicular or the height of the tower is 4, at another place you are saying the height of the tower is 3. So make them equal. If you make them equal, multiply by 3 over here, multiply by 3 over here. So height will become 12 and 9. And you have to make 12 here as well. So it will become 12 and it will become 16. So the total distance is 16, out of which one portion is 9. So remaining portion is 7. This 7 is given as 560 meter. So 1 is equal to 80 meter. This 7 is given as 560 meter. So 1 is equal to 80 meter. What is the height of the tower? Both places 12 each. So 12 into 80, 960 meter. Any doubt to anyone, guys? Please do reply me. Otherwise, I'm going to move on fast. Well done, Gopi, Harika, Haresh, Vipin, Sanjeev, Sai Teja, Charlie, and everyone else. Let's move on, dear. Let's move on. Well done, Vipin. Amazing, guys. You all are great. You all are amazing. Keep on sharing and liking the sessions as well. That is tremendously important for us in doing such long sessions, in doing some large marathon sessions, guys. Please do the sharing part so that we feel exactly highly motivated, even more than a cup of a coffee. PAB and PCB are the 2 seconds. PA is known, PB, PAB, PC. What is the value of PD? In case of 2 seconds, PAB, PCT. In case of 2 seconds, PAB, PCT. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Always remember everything begins with P. PA is 10. AB is 12, so PB is 22. AB is 12, so PB is 22. PC is 11. So we will get PD. So PD is 20. If PC is 11, then the CD portion is 9. Absolutely correct. Oh, what they are asking? PD asking, na? So PD is 20 is the answer only. They are asking PD. So 20 is the answer. I thought they are asking CD. But if they are asking PD, then 20 is the answer. Okay? If they are asking PD, then 20 is the answer. Let's move on very quickly, because I want to break records. Of mine as well. Today, at least 35. No, 35 nahi, 40. Just support me, guys. Just support me in taking 40. We have done this kind of question before. So, a cube plus 5a square plus 25a is equal to a. You want to make 5 by a? So first make 1 by A. First make 1 by A. First make 1 by A on dividing by A. First make 1 by A. You want to make 5 by A, so multiply by 5. So multiply by 5. 5A square plus 25A plus 125 is equal to 5 by A. You have to add A cube as well. So add A cube on both sides. Add A cube on both sides. This value A cube plus 5A square plus 25A is equal to 1. This value is equal to 1. 1 plus 125, 126 is the answer. Quickly move on, guys. At least a target of 40 today. At least a target of 40. Exciting journey. Exciting journey, dear. Well done, Sai, Gopi, Harika, Charlie, Vipin. Triangle PQR lies on the circumference. Triangle PQR lies on the circumference. PQ is the diameter. Start the question by making PQ diameter. Start the question by making PQ as diameter, and R is also a point on the circumference. And R is also a point on the circumference. Angle PQR is 40. Angle PQR is 40. Diameter subtends 90 degree at the circumference. Diameter subtends 90 degree at the circumference. So the remaining angle is 50 to make it 180. So the remaining angle is 50 to make it 180. To make it 180. Yeah, to make it 180. The concept used is diameter subtends 90 degree at the circumference. Or angle in a semicircle is always a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is always a right angle. Let's move on. Chalo, we reach the 10. Only 4 rounds of 10, 10, 10 each. 4 rounds of 10, 10, 10 each. A cube of side 8, 8, 8 is dropped. A cube of side 8, 8, 8 is dropped into a regular container of length, breadth and height, which is partly filled with water. The cube is completely submerged. When cube will be partially submerged, what is the increase in the height? From buoyancy force or from Archimedes' principle of physics, which was once upon a time my favorite subject, or maybe a buoyancy force or a Archimedes principle, the volume displaced is equal to the increase in the volume. The volume displaced is equal to the increase in the volume. So how much is the volume displaced? 8 cross 8 cross 8. This is the volume displaced is equal to the increase in the volume. Okay. The length is 16. The length is 16. The breadth is 8. And the change in height is, let's suppose, delta H. The change in height is, let's suppose, delta H. The change in height is, let's suppose, delta H. Okay. So change in height comes out to be 4. Change in height comes out to be 4, guys. What it comes out? It comes out to be 4. It comes out to be 4. So 4 is the increase in the height. 4 is the increase in the height. 4 is the increase in the height. Let's move on. 11th question. PQR is an equilateral triangle with side of 12. S and T are the midpoints. PQR, what is the area of the shaded region? What is the area of the shaded region? Equilateral triangle, so side 12. Equilateral triangle is, so side is 12. Line joining the midpoints is a midpoint segment, so side is 6. Line joining the midpoint is a midpoint segment, so it is half of 12, 6. If here the side is in the ratio 1:2, if here the side is in the ratio 1:2, then please see the division of the area. Please see the division of the area. 1 ka square 1, 2 ka square 4. 1 into 4 is 4. These two parts are equal. Divide 4 into 2 equal parts, 2 each. This is the division of the area, my dear. This is the division of the area. This is the division of the area. Or, chalo, let me tell you in a different way. Let me tell you guys in a different way today. सुनना सब लोग ध्यान से. Every one of you, please. I just left that. The line joining the midpoints. These are medians. The line joining the midpoints are medians. The point of intersection of medians is centroid. The point of intersection of medians is centroid. Centroid divide the triangle into 3 equal parts. Centroid divide the triangle into 3 equal parts. They are asking the area of one part. They are asking the area of one part. They are asking the area of one part. So 1/3 of the triangle. And triangle is an equilateral triangle. So √3/4 a square. √3/4 a square. I reduced it a lot. Yeah. I reduced it a lot, guys. That concept I will tell you some other day. That concept I will tell you some other day. Because it was not required over here. While solving, I recalled it. While solving, guys, I recalled it. Logically clear, guys? Conceptually clear? Please do tell me. The line joining the midpoints, the line joining midpoints are the medians. Point of intersection of medians is centroid. Point of intersection of medians is centroid. And centroid divide the triangle into 3 equal parts. Centroid divide the triangle into 3 equal parts. Area of one part, it should be 1/3 of the total triangle. It should be 1/3 of a total triangle. Triangle is an equilateral triangle, so √3/4 a square. So, I will tell you that way as well, but in this question, it was not required. While solving, it clicked me at that moment of time. Yeah. While solving, it clicked me at that moment of time that here it is not required to go that detailed way. Next. Advanced, guys, in advanced, we can maintain a great speed. We are at the 12th question. See. Please, guys, keep on sharing as well. Please keep on sharing. It is important. It is absolutely very, very important for us and for you as well. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. And that of a cone of the same radius. And that of the cone of the same radius is 1/3 pi r square into h. What is their difference? What is their difference, guys? Ganesh, let's see. Take pi r square by 3 common. Take pi r square by 3 common. So it is 4R minus H. 22 by 7, R square. R is 7 into 7 divided by 3. 4R, 4 into 7. H is 10. 154 by 3. 154 by 3. 28 minus 10. 154 by 3 into 18. 6. 150 into 6, 900. 4 6 are 24. 924. 924. 924. The volume of a sphere, the volume of a sphere, and the volume of a cone. Chutku spheres and Chutku cone. Yeah. Well done, Ivan, Shrivani, Hari, Sanjeev, Harika, Sainteja, Vipin, and everyone else. Let's move on. 1/3 of the session is about to get complete. 1/3 of the session is about to get complete. Do you remember any of the value of tan theta which is rational? Because its one value is root 3, one is 1 by root 3, another is 1. So it should be without surd. It should be without surd, because then only it can become equal to 0. Then only it can become equal to 0 if it is with surd. If it is with surd, then it will definitely not become equal to 0, because this is square. Square is always without surd. This is without surd. If this is surd, then how will it becomes equal to 0? So go for theta. Tan theta is 1. Go for tan theta is 1, which happens at theta is equal to 45. Go for tan theta as 1, which happens at theta is equal to 45. Sec 45 is root 2 ka square. Tan 45 is 1. Please do crash check. Is it satisfying or not? Yeah. 7 minus 7 is 0. LHS is equal to RHS. So our assumption was absolutely bang on. Our assumption was absolutely bang on. Our assumption was absolutely bang on. Perfect. So theta is 45. Theta is 45. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cosec 45 root 2 plus sec 45 root 2. So 2 by root 2, 3 by root 2 is 5 by root 2. And this is 2 root 2. 5 by 4 is the answer. 5 by 4 is the answer, guys. 5 by 4 is the answer. Well done, Sanjeev, Harish, Vipin, Srivani, Harika, Ivan, and everyone else. Okay. CGL 2021. CGL 2021. This is our spatial concept, yeah? This is our spatial concept which I just delivered. Listen it 2-3 times, those who are new with us, yeah? Listen it 2-3 times, those who are new with us. Those who are old, like previous students of mine, they know it. I used to deliver it a lot. Next. The bisector of angle B meets AC at D. The bisector of angle B meets AC at D. Okay. I think sine it would be AB not visible. AB is 12. भाई उसको सही करना है. The bisector of angle B, the bisector of angle B, the bisector of angle B meets AC at D. AB is 12, BC is 18. What is AC is 15. What is the length of AD? Bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of the adjacent sides. Bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of adjacent sides. Okay. So, this division would be in the ratio. This division would be in the ratio 2:3. Because they are maintaining 2:3. This division would be in the ratio 2:3. So, AD portion is 2 and total according to the ratio is 5. So, 2/5 of total. 2/5 of total. So, 2/5 of total is 6. 6. And the DC would be 3/5 of total, which is highly repeated questions. Highly repeated questions, guys. Highly repeated questions. Angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of the adjacent sides. Angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of the adjacent side. So AD ratio DC would be in the proportion of AB ratio BC. Would be in the ratio of AB ratio BC. Would be in the proportion of AB ratio BC. Area of hexagon is 6 √3/4 a square because it is made up of 6 equilateral triangles. Because it is made up of 6 equilateral triangles, so area of hexagon is 6 into √3/4 a square. However, it is little bit more deep. It is little bit more deep. Here there is a use of a trapezium. Here there is a use of a trapezium. If ED is, okay, side is 12, then this longest diagonal is double 24. Then this longest diagonal is double, that is 24. If you have seen the trapezium with me anytime, this is the midpoint segment of the trapezium. This is the midpoint segment of the trapezium. This is the midpoint segment of the trapezium. What is the length of the midpoint segment of the trapezium? It is sum of both sides divided by 2. Average of both sides divided by 2. 18. Average of both sides 18. So basically I want to tell you that this is an equilateral triangle of the side 18. Basically I want to tell you that this is an equilateral triangle of side 18. So its area is root 3 by 4 18 ka square. Root 3 by 4 18 into 18. Simplify by 2 9. Simplify by 2 9. 81 root 3. Great question. Great question. Conceptually clear to each and every one of you? Conceptually clear to each and every one of you? Please do reply. Conceptually clear to each and every one of you? You have to visualize this as a trapezium. You have to visualize this portion as a trapezium. One side 12, the longest diagonal is 24. You have to find out the length of the midpoint segment because they are the midpoints of EF and DQ. Length of the midpoint segment is 12 plus 24 divided by 2, 18, 18, 18. The length of the midpoint segment is 24 plus, like 12 plus 24 divided by 2, 18. Next. Please keep on sharing as well, guys. Please keep on sharing. We are doing the collection of advanced math for the next 3 days. Today is the second day. The third day is going to be the longest, maybe 3 to 3.5 hours. So in these 3 days, we would be definitely reaching our figure of 150 advanced math problems. In these 3 days, we would be definitely reaching a figure of 150 advanced math problems. After that, we will decide that whether we need to do arithmetic or we should continue with the advanced. Yeah. A tangent is drawn from a point. A tangent is drawn from external point P to the point T. PT is a tangent. PT is given. Another, there is a second PAB. There is a second PAB. What is the relation? PT square is equal to PA into PB. If one is a tangent, another is a second, what is the relation? PT square is equal to PA into PB. PT square is equal to PA. Yeah, Ganesh, I have shared it on the Telegram. PT square is equal to PA into PB. Now, PT, I'm using this as 21 by 2 here. I'm using this PT as 21 by 2. It will, I think, simplify my calculation. 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. PA is already known as 7. What is PB? We will get it. What is PB? We will get it. So PB is coming out to be 63 by 4 and 15 4 just 60. 15.75 is PB. 15.75 is PB. Out of which PA is 7. So remaining is 8.75. Remaining is 8.75. Remaining is 8.75. Vipin will do it. Vipin is the among the most dedicated member of the group. Vipin is the most dedicated member of the group. Okay. Is it clear, guys? If PA is 7, total is 15.75. So PAB is 8.75. AB is 8.75. Quite repeated, guys. Quite repeated. Are you observing that in advance the numbers increases quite fast, na? In advance, the number increases quite fast. Is it a worth question? Guys, options can be wrong as well, yeah. Options can be just believe on your answer, whatever it is coming. Just believe on your answer, whatever it is coming. Believe on your answers, yeah. यहाँ पर मुझे कुछ लग रहा है. Something fishy is looking to me. Something fishy is looking to me, but I am going for it. Cot theta is 1 minus 1 upon tan theta. Tan theta minus 1 upon tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. Guys, either it's x ka square or minus x ka square. Either it's x ka square or minus x ka square. They are same, so they will cancel out each other. They will cancel out each other. So it is 1 upon tan square theta minus 1. And 1 upon tan square theta is cot square theta minus 1. Answer. What happened, Vipin? What happened, Vipin? You have taken my word too seriously? Tan theta minus 1 or 1 minus tan theta, both are in the squares. Both are in the squares. They will cancel out each other. Both are in the squares. They will cancel out each other. So 1 upon tan square theta minus 1 and 1 upon tan square theta is cot square theta. 1 upon tan square theta is cot square theta. So cot square theta minus 1 is the answer. Option number 3, CGL 2021. CGL 2021. If you go with value putting, I think it will trouble you more rather than this. If you go for value putting, it might trouble you more rather than this. Yeah. AB is the diameter of the circle. Just do it, guys. Just do it. After this, I will not do. C and D are the 2 points on the opposite sides of AB. C and D are the 2 points on the opposite side of AB. Such that angle ACD is 25. Such that angle ACD is 25. E is a point on the minor arc BD. This is the minor arc, this is the major arc. So minor arc E. E is a point on the minor arc BD. Harish, you are also studying very good these days. Keep it up, Hari. If you are correct. What is the measure of angle BED? Theta. Guys, how will I nail it? How will I crack it? How will I crack it, guys? Any intuition? Any intuition? I think I will make it a cyclic quadrilateral. I think I will make it as a cyclic quadrilateral. AD arc subtended 25 here. So AD arc will subtend 25 here as well. 25. Okay, 25. Now diameter subtend 90 degree at the what do you say, at the circumference. 90, 25. So this is if this is 90, then I think this is becoming 65. 65. 65. Perfect. Perfect. Now, guys, I'm feeling a cyclic quadrilateral here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in any cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite is, in any quadrilateral, sum of opposite is 180. In any cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite is 180. So theta plus 65 is 180. So theta is Vipin, why 125? AD arc has subtended 25 at this point, then it will also subtend 25 at this point. This is the diameter. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference, 90, 25, 65. 90, 25, 65. So 6 plus 2, 8, 90 plus 90, 180. Now this is a cyclic quadrilateral formation as well. This is a cyclic quadrilateral formation as well. If one angle is 65, then the opposite angle is this. I think still till now the question of the day, it was a unique question. Till now the question of the day, it was a unique question. Perfect. Let's move on. What happened, Harika? You can ask. I have not used any different property other than what I told. I will take it again. Just don't worry about it. Just ask your question. X, Y, Z, A, B, C. 3 equations, 6 variables. Assume A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1. So X will come 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Y will come 1 by 1. And Z will come 1 plus 1. It's 2, 2, and 2. It's 2, 2, and 2. What is the value of X, Y, Z? Minus X square minus Y square minus Z square. X, Y, Z is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Minus 2 chi square, 4 minus 4 minus 4. 8 minus 12 minus 4 is the ultimate answer. Minus 4 is the ultimate answer. Minus 4 is the ultimate answer. Perfect. Perfect. Minus 4 is the ultimate answer. Sai Teja, Ivan, Harika, Shrivani, Vipin Jaiswal, everyone is absolutely correct. Everyone is absolutely correct, guys, without any doubt. Without any doubt. Just make the diagram correctly. Just make the diagram correctly, question would be over. Just make the diagram correctly, question would be over. Tower is standing on a building. Tower is standing on a building. Tower is standing on a building. The angle of depression of a point from the top of the tower and the bottom of the tower. The angle of the depression of the point from the top of the tower and the bottom of the tower are 60 and 30. Are 60 and 45. 60 and 45. 45 and 60. You know, for 45, perpendicular and base both are equal. For 45, perpendicular and base both are equal. So if this is 1, this is also 1. And for 60, perpendicular and base is in the ratio √3:1. So I maintained base as already 1 from beginning. So √3:1 is maintained and 1:1 is maintained. For 45, 1:1 is maintained. For 60, √3:1 is maintained. This triangle is balanced. This triangle is balanced, okay? Total is √3, this is 1, so the remaining portion is √3 minus 1. So √3 minus 1 is given as 40. So 1 is equal to 40 upon √3 minus 1. Rationalize by √3 plus 1. Rationalize by √3 plus 1. So it will become 40 √3 plus 1 divide by 2, that is 20 √3 plus 1. That is 20 √3 plus 1, guys. 20 √3 plus 1. What is the height of the tower? Height of the tower, na? A tower stands on the top of the building. What is this here? Height of the building hona chahiye na, dear? It should be height of the building, na? Because height of tower, acha, building is given, which is, okay, building is given, guys. Height of building is given. Height of building is given. This one is given as 40. This one is given as 40. Then, what is the height of the tower? So, height of the tower is √3 minus 1. Height of the tower is √3 minus 1. So, if 1 is equal to 40, then √3 minus 1 is equal to 40 into √3 minus 1. Yeah. I observed it later. I was expecting that the height of the maybe tower would be given. So height of the building is given. Height of the building is given as 40 meter. So height of the tower is √3 minus 1, which is √3 minus 1 into 40. Let's move on. This. In a circle with center O, and radius 5, AB and CD are the two parallel chords of length 6 and x respectively on the opposite sides of the center. Respectively on the opposite side of the center. When you draw the perpendicular, it will bisect the chord 3 and 3. Radius is 5. If this is 5, this is 3, then this is 4. The total distance between the chords is given as 7. The total distance between the chords is given as 7. If one portion is 4, another portion is 3. Okay. Radius is again 5. So this portion will become 4 and 4. This portion will become 4 and 4. So length of the chord is 8. Every question, whatever they generally make on the triplets. Every question they generally make on the triplet, my dear. Yeah. So triplet has a great role in SSC exams. Triplet has a great role in SSC exams. Next. Okay, come on guys, be motivated, stay motivated, keep on sharing, keep on liking as well. Keep on sharing, keep on liking as well, guys. That is absolutely very, very important for us. Otherwise, I would have not told you. Other than reading, other than learning, that is also one of the things you should be taking care of. Two common tangents AC and BD touch two equal circles, each of radius 7. At point ACBD, as shown in the figure, if the length of BD is 48, what is the length of AC? What is the length of AC? Okay, is this A for this particular question? Okay. Is this A for this particular question? Naughty brain, huh? Guys, I don't sometimes plan the things. But they happen suddenly. This is might be because of being in too much with the education, touch with too much in the education day in, day out. Which is longer, DCT or TCT? From formula, which is longer, DCT or TCT? Subtracting a smaller value. Subtracting a smaller value will give you a bigger answer. And subtracting a larger value will give you a smaller answer. And subtracting a larger value will give you a smaller answer. So direct common tangent is greater than transverse common tangent. Transverse is given as 48. So direct would be only 50. क्या करें भाई, हो जाता है. Just I thought it as of now. Subtracting a smaller value, R1 minus R2 is a smaller value. R1 minus R2 is a smaller value. Subtracting a smaller value means this value is greater. And subtracting a larger value means ultimately you will get a smaller value. So TCD is smaller, DCT is greater than it. So only one option is there. Otherwise, a TCT 48, squaring both sides, 48 ka square is D square minus R1 plus R2, 7 plus 7, 14 ka square. So D square is 48 ka square plus 14 ka square. When you find out DCT, it's 48 ka square plus 14 ka square. R1 minus R2, 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0 ka square. So ultimately 48 square plus 14 square, which is a triplet of 7, 24, 25. Which is a triplet of 7, 24, 25, 14, 48, 50. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect, guys. So, triplets are irreplaceable from SSC. Triplets are irreplaceable from SSC. If you don't know triplets, you will lose 2-3 marks easily. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is x plus y plus z. Oh, space crunch. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. The most used formula of this is x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z ka whole square minus 3 times of xy plus yz plus zx. Minus 3 times of xy plus yz plus zx. This is given as 1604. This is being asked. X plus y plus z is 11. 11 ka square 121 minus 3 times of minus 6. 1604 minus 3xyz is equal to 11 times of 121 plus 18. 121 plus 10 is 131, 139. So 1604 minus 11 into 139 is equal to 3xyz. 1604 minus 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 1. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 75 is 3xyz. So xyz is 25. We cannot go for value putting. We can't go for value putting because 3 equations, 3 variables. 3 equations, 3 variables. 3 equations, 3 variables, so we have to do it completely. 3 equations, 3 variables, so we have to do it completely, and we have done it completely. Yeah, we have done it completely. Guys, I'm worried about tomorrow. Very less interaction in just 1 hour, 15 minutes. What will happen if I take? What will happen if I take a 2 hour or maybe a 3.5 hour session? Huh? Because for me, taking a session in less interactions becomes very difficult. However, I will take it. Yeah. Let's move on. I know it's become difficult for you as well to reply and to interact. A huge game of mind. Cot is 12 by 5. Cot is base upon perpendicular, so 13. Again triplet. Cot B. What is sec B? Sec B is hypotenuse upon base. 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 Next. I remember it that we have either done it somewhere, na? We have done it somewhere. Vertical pole and a vertical tower are on the same level. I don't know which is bigger. I don't know what is bigger. From the top of the pole, angle of elevation of the tower. So tower is bigger. Tower is bigger. Because to see the top of the tower, you have to make an angle of elevation. To see the top of the tower, you have to make an angle of elevation. So angle of elevation is 60. And to see the depression of the tower, it is 30. Okay. For 30, it says 1:√3. If this distance is √3, this is also √3. Now, for 60, they maintain √3:1. I've taken this already as √3, so this should be 3. To maintain √3:1. To maintain √3:1. To maintain √3:1. So height of the tower is 4. Height of the tower is 4 and height of the pole is 1. And height of the pole is 1. 1 is given as 24. What is the tower? 4. 4 is equal to 24 into 4, 96. Yeah, I think we have done it in one of the sets. Angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation on the opposite side. By alternate interior theorem. By alternate interior theorem, angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation in this manner. By alternate interior theorem, angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation in this manner. Okay. Next. Teja, what? That angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation because of alternate interior alternate theorem, because of alternate interior property. And those two lines were parallel. Those two lines were parallel. If this is theta, this is also theta. Parallel lines equal as well. So for 30, I assumed 1. Tan 30 is 1 by √3. Na? Tan 30 is 1 by √3. Tan 30 is 1 by √3. So perpendicular upon base 1 by √3. If I've taken this as √3, this is also √3. Because they are equal and they are parallel and equal. They are parallel and equal. And here this angle was 60. For 60, tan theta is √3:1. Tan 60 is √3:1. So if this is √3, it should be 3 to make it √3:1. So this distance is 1, this is 3, total is 4. I hope, Teja, it would be clear to you now. Two equation, 3 variable, assume z is equal to 0. Two equation, 3 variable, assume z is equal to 0. Find out x³ plus y³. It is x plus y का whole square minus 3 times of xy. What? Two ka square 4 minus 3 times of minus 11. It's 33 plus 4, 37. It's 33 plus 4, 37 into 2, 74 is the answer. 74 is the answer. Well done, Gopi, Shai, Haris, and all. Let's move on. Keep on sharing and liking as well, guys. Keep on sharing and liking for the motivation, for the amount of content work, what we are doing, what our team is doing, what the typists are doing, guys. Please quickly like and share, because we then, after this point of time, with the success of this CGL 15 days course, might think about bringing a CHSL paid course as well. Okay, we might think about, guys, like bringing a CHSL paid course as well, only if this initiative becomes a good one. Yeah. And in Exampur, guys, there is one thing which you have always felt bad about our previous platform, is that here we have generally lot of classes. There is no, in our previous platform, guys, you might be knowing that there was some foundation of classes, 40 classes, 50 classes, 60 classes. Here the point is, there is no foundation. I would be finishing the math syllabus in 100 classes, might be 100 classes would be offered to us. So yaar, matlab, finishing a syllabus in 60 classes, finishing a syllabus in 100 classes, how much detailed it can be. How much detailed it can be, guys. Yeah. Volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to that of a cylinder having the same radius, pi r square h. Same radius, guys. So r square is gone with square, only one r is remaining. So height of the cylinder is 4 by 3 r. Height of the cylinder is 4 by 3 r. Height of the cylinder is 4 by 3 r. What is the ratio of the radius and height of the cylinder? For cylinder, the radius is r and height is h. H is 4 by 3 r. So the ratio is 3:4. Ratio is 3:4, guys. Ratio is 3:4. Next. A is equal to the coefficient of A apart from 2. Keeping 2 aside, the value of A is equal to the coefficient of A. Keeping 2 aside, which is already taken aside, the value of A is equal to the coefficient of A. So A comes out to be -1. The value of B comes out to be the coefficient of B, that is 1. And the twist over here is, it is 7c ka square. So value of the 7c is, the twist over here, it is 7c ka square. So value of the 7c is the coefficient of 7c. The value of 7c is the coefficient of 7c. Guys, what is the coefficient of 7c? -4. This is where generally students do the error. This is where generally students do the error. So what is A plus B minus 7C? A is -1, B is +1, and 7C is -4. What a great one. What a great one, dear oh dear. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on, guys. Let's do some more wonderful things. I had the plan for 40 touching. I think we can do it till 45 with lot of ease. We can do it till 45 with lot of ease. Three equations, three variables, everything is fixed. Three equation, three variables, everything is fixed. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is a plus b plus c. Oh, guys, if you remember the fourth way of writing it, then you can do it in a single step. Otherwise, 2 steps are required. What is the fourth way of writing it, guys? I also don't remember it too much. 3 times of. This is the fourth way of writing it. This is the fourth way of writing it. Huh? Guys, I know a trick of it. That is why I recalled it every time. The trick is 3a square minus a square. 3a square minus a square, that is 2a square divided by 2, so a square ultimately. Yeah. I have given you the point. This is 189 minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2, 6 by 2, 3. 3 times of a square plus b square plus c square, 32. Minus a plus b plus c ka whole square, 6 ka square, 36. 189 minus 3abc is 3 times of 96 minus 36. 189 minus 3abc is 3 times of 60. 186 minus 180 is 3abc. So 6 is 3abc. ABC is coming here 2. ABC is coming 2. What yours is coming? Minus 1 can be the answer, na? Based on this data, either it would be 3ABC. Either the question would be 3ABC minus 3. Either the question would be 3ABC minus 3. So for 3ABC, it is 6 minus 3. 3 can be the answer. But if they are asking ABC minus 3, then ABC is coming 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Confirm, guys? अच्छा minus 9 है. अच्छा sorry. ये 189 हो गया यहाँ पर, है ना? चलो, that is the benefit of the live class. 189 minus 180 is 3ABC. So ABC is 9 by 3. So 3ABC is 9. Or you can say ABC is 3. Or you can say ABC is 3. ABC is 3. 3 minus 3, 0 is the answer. Guys, if you remember this fourth way of writing the identity, then you can do it in a single step. If you remember this fourth way of writing the identity, you can do it in a single step. Very quickly, all the 4 ways of writing this identity are, the original one is a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. No one uses it these days. The second one is a plus b plus c divided by 2, a minus b ka whole square, b minus c ka whole square, c minus a ka whole square when ABC values are given or they are close to each other. The third and the most used way is a plus b plus c ka whole square minus 3 times of ab plus bc plus ca. Highly used. The fourth and the last way, which only 1% of the student uses. The fourth and the last way only 1% of the student uses. We have used it in the previous question. is a plus b plus c divided by 2. 3 times of a square plus b square plus c square minus a plus b plus c ka whole square. They all are interconvertible. They all are interconvertible, guys. They all are interconvertible. Here a square plus b square plus c square, a plus b plus c, a b b c, a c all required. Who will give this much information? A b b c c, a square b square c square, a plus b plus c. That is why it is hardly used. Here only difference is required. Here only difference of the number and the sum of the numbers is required. This is among the best. Why? This is among the best. Why? Because a plus b plus c and a b b c c are required. A plus b plus c and a b b c c are required. And this is also best among the best, guys. Why? Because if sometimes a square plus b square plus c square given and abc given, then without making use of ab plus bc plus ca, we can find out the answer directly. We can find out the answer directly. Next, take the screenshot to book your 1 mark. Take the screenshot, guys, to book your mark. Write it on a short page, guys, and revise it before going to the examination hall. Next. Hello, Radhika. One of the angles of the triangle is 74. Then the angle between the bisector of the interior angle of the one and the... Guys, it was a simple question. It was a simple question. So I have done some edit in it. I have done some edit in it to give you one more property. Or to revise one of your previous property as well. It was only a question about internal angle bisector of 2. So if this was 74, then this is 90 plus 74 divided by 2. Originally this question was this. Originally. But I have done some edit. And make it a question about one of the angle of the triangle is 74. Then the angle between the bisector of the interior angle of the one, and the exterior angle of the another. Asking about this angle. This angle is a by 2. If this is triangle ABC, then this angle is 74 by 2, 37. We can do its proof as well if required. We can do its proof as well, guys, if required. However, if you don't ask, then I would be more happy. Because I can increase the 1 or 2 more questions. Then I can include 1 or 2 more questions. Yeah. Now it is looking very, very evident that we will only reach how much? 35. But no issue, 35 is also not less. For quant, 35 is also not less. In triangle ABC, D is a point on AB and E is a point on BC, such that DE is parallel to AC. such that DE is parallel to F lies on BC, na? Just a minute. D lies on AB, E and F lies on BC. Something different. E and F lies on BC, such that DF is parallel to AC and DE is parallel to AF. Wow. After a long time, I was about to delete this question thinking of it as a repeated. I was about to delete this question, guys, thinking of it as a repeated. Thank God I kept it. I was just, while looking at the appearance of the question, I thought it is a kind of a repeated one. Okay. BE is 4. BE is 4. CF is 3. What is EF? Okay. First thing is that DF is parallel to AC. DF is parallel to AC. Okay. BE is 4, CF is 3. What is the value of EF? Have you gone with the options? Let me see it once. I think this is CGL 2020. Okay. I'm avoiding doing it completely. Let me do it, guys. Okay. If you see this triangle, guys, whenever the parallel lines would be there, you can apply the similarity. Yeah. Or proportionality as well. I am assuming it dear X. है ना? I am assuming it X. Let's see what happens. So DE ratio AF. Is DE is 4 and AF is, for AF it is the complete 4 plus X. DE ratio AF is 4 upon 4 plus X. If you go with this triangle, then DE ratio AC is, DE ratio AE is 4 plus X upon 7 plus X. Perfect. Now, AC and AF connection. Oh my God. Because I need to delete these as well to find out the value of X. क्या miss कर रहा हूँ? What I'm missing? What tir I'm missing, guys? What is the woe I'm missing? Okay. Just a moment. If I convert AC as AF, BD ratio AD. Acha, you are saying, sir, every time write it in that form. Okay, you are saying I always write in that form. That would be easier for. That would be easier. Okay, that's a valid point. That's a valid point. That's a valid point. From here, if you see this, guys, then BD ratio AD is from this BD ratio AD is 4 upon 4 plus x, and from this guys, BD ratio AD is 4 plus x upon 7 plus x. So we have to stick to this line. Guys. Yeah. ABD is the common site. ABD is the common site. Just multiply it. 28 plus 4x is equal to 4 plus x ka whole square. That is x square plus 16 plus 8x. So x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 28 minus 4x is 0. X square plus 4x minus 12 is 0. Plus minus roots are minus plus. Plus minus roots are minus plus. Plus minus roots are minus plus. Product 12, sum or difference 4. 6 and 2. Bigger is negative, smaller is positive, answer. Bigger is negative, smaller is positive, answer. Banking quadratic. This is the use of banking quadratic, yeah. This is the use of banking quadratic. X square plus 4x minus 12 is 0. Whenever the product is negative, this means this is made by the difference. Whenever the product is negative, this is made by the difference. So, product 12, difference 4, 6 and 2. Plus minus roots are minus and plus. First write the bigger one, then write the smaller one. Minus 6 and 2. 2 is the answer. Banking quadratic का भी कमाल है भाई. Banking quadratic is also कमाल. Chalo guys, I'm going to end this session now. I think we are 30, how much? 32? 33 might be, na? Divide by x square. Four x square plus 9 by x square is equal to 37. Take the square root. Take the square root 2x. Okay. Take it in the negative. Take it in the negative, guys. Because ultimately I want a negative. For positive, we add plus 2 and take a square root. So for negative, we will subtract minus 2 and take the square root. I'm very hopeful about it. Let's see what happens. I'm very hopeful, guys, directly doing. However, I need to take care of the coefficients as well. And the coefficients are 2 and 3. So, 2x minus 3 by x is root 25, 5. Directly doing, guys. I'm doing it directly. Now cube it. Now cube it. 8x cube minus 27 by x cube is a cube plus 3a. A cube plus 3a. Coefficients. Coefficients are 2 and 3. Two and 3 in the multiplication. देखा आपने? To cross check it, guys, to cross check it. If you want to do completely, you can do it. To cross check it, guys, if you want to do it completely, you can do it. Huh? Four x square minus 37x square plus 9 is 0. This is 2x. Divide by x square to make one term independent of x. To make one term independent of x. This is 2x plus 3 by x का whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So I need to subtract minus 2ab. Here plus 2ab. Here plus 2ab is there. So to make it only this, I need to subtract minus 2ab. So 2x plus 3 by x का whole square is. अच्छा, I will make it 2x minus 3 by x na. Minus. So here it is minus 3ab. So I have to add plus 2ab. Here it is in the formula. It is minus 2ab. Here it is in the formula. It is minus 2ab. To compensate for it, I will add plus 2ab. To compensate for it, I will add plus 2ab. So 2x minus 3 by x is 25. 2x minus 3 by x is root 25, that is 5. Now cube it. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab. A minus b is already 5 is equal to 5 का cube. So 8x cube minus 27 by x cube is equal to 125 plus 3 into 3 into 10. Guys, if you are not comfortable in that much of oral doing, you can go for complete formula way as well. You can go for that complete formula way as well. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care, guys. See you soon in the next session tomorrow. A much long session on advance. Take care of yourself. If you like the effort, guys, please don't forget to like it before going.